Welcome back to Third Coast Equipment Headquarters in New Berlin, Wisconsin. Today we're talking about our RT16Y trench roller, and I want to share with you some of the reasons why we think that we have created the best trench roller on the market. I'll do a walk around. I want to show you the machine itself. We'll pop the hood, look under the hood, and look at the clean design. I will also then walk you through this remote and how simple this remote is to use, as well as the accessory package that we have that comes with it. So let's take a walk around the machine. For starters, one thing you're going to notice that's unique, different to this machine, is that we have all steel hoods. Very, very thick, very robust. This thing is job site worthy and can really take a beating. What I like about these hoods is not only are they super heavy gauge, but also reinforced with steel, more steel. So super heavy duty. We know these roll over from time to time, and it's important that they can take a beating. Also, we use to support this very heavy aircraft style cable and an oversized gas strut. Okay, let's continue to walk around the machine. Very nice looking design, very clean. You'll see once we get under the hood, incredible clean design and well thought out layout of all the hoses and routings. So here's a nifty little feature that we have. Before we open the operator control panel, we have a fuel access door on top of the unit so that you don't have to always lift the whole rear hood, if you will, to fill up your machine. You have just this nice little lockable latch for refueling. Let's take a look under the hood. This unit is powered by a Yanmar Tier 4 final 20 horsepower engine. This has been very, very successful for us. Really, really nice engine. What I want to show you here, though, is much more than that. This unit is very well laid out. When we pop the hood and service technicians can take a look under it, they look at it, and one of the first comments they say is how well thought out this machine is, just like the rest of ours. Quality-wise, you have all your braiding of your wiring, your shrink wrapping. Pretty much everything is premium. Your Deutsch connectors. You'll find the consistency through all of our machines. Same approach. All torque checked. Everything for quality to make sure that everything is put together well and tightened down. We also use lit sensors all the way around, and I'll show you that. Let me get to the other side. Okay, again, just showing you access to all your filters. Very, very easy to get to. Your filter indicators. Now, mention that this is a heavy steel hood, very well reinforced. There's that heavy aircraft cable again, and a very beefy gas strut here so that the opening and closing is smooth, and also protects the unit from stress and strain on the hood and its latchings. Now I'm going to move to the rear of the machine. So this is radio controlled, as I showed you in the box. You can see all your tanks, everything again, very nice and neatly laid out. Your battery disconnect. And then down here, your block, all your valve blocks. Now, we mentioned on all our rollers, we use these lit sensors. Told you I would show you those. Very, very nice. We receive so many compliments about how nice and easy it is to troubleshoot these machines should you have to. Torque checks, again, everything, quality. We want these machines to hit your shop ready to go to the job site. Now, we have a different kind of turnover sensor mechanism here that is very easy to reset. This button right here is your reset. If the machine should tip over, it's kind of hidden, tucked away here, but just to hit it, reset almost like a circuit breaker pretty much, and it will reset. So you don't have to have subscriptions, a laptop, and so forth to reset your machine, which can be a huge inconvenience and also an expense to any company, whether it's a rental fleet or a contractor-owned machine. See your fuse boxes here, all waterproof, protected under the hood and behind the controller. So we want to show you the rear side of the machine, the access to the control panel. This is the operator interface. And if you look at the panel, some of your common digital readouts are your gauges, your battery, your hour meter, your fuel, you have your tip over sensor, your glow plug, etc. This is all laid out nice and neat. One really cool feature that we have added into the 2026 model is that the machine comes with two batteries, one in the remote and one in this onboard charger. Now this onboard charger charges 24/7. As long as you have the battery turned on, meaning the battery isn't shut off, it will charge this battery. So the idea is this battery will charge much faster than you're going to run the battery down on the remote. So in theory, you should always have a fully charged battery. You shouldn't have to take it home and charge it. Although we do, and I'll show you the accessory kit in a couple of minutes, we do offer a wall charger and a truck charger, so you can choose to charge it that way. But if you want to, you can just let the machine do the job for you. You don't have to worry about it. Now here's another neat feature that we incorporated in this year. Let me show you this remote. This remote is a really nice remote. It comes with a strap that you can, it'll hold itself, but it's also very well protected. So all of your gauges, your joysticks, everything are well protected and below the guarding. On this, you can turn your vibration up and down, high as 15.3, and then you have your battery indicator light. So this is going to tell you what the charge is on the battery that's in the remote. So if it's starting to get low, you'll see it switch over to this side. How easy it is to start this machine. Really user-friendly. What you want to do is you just turn the key to on. You don't have to worry about glow plugs, anything like that anymore. It'll take care of that itself. And then you want to make sure on the controller that the emergency stop is not pressed in. See this little start button on the side? Very simple. You just start it, you just press from the side. That's it, nothing else to do. Okay, what is this accessory package I mentioned to you? Every machine will come with this box included in it. It is the accessory box contents, and what's in it, you'll have a wall charger, a 16-foot remote control receiver tether, the spare remote magnetic key, a strap, and the manual. So here's what you got. Here's your wall charger if you should choose to take the battery home and charge it. You have this tethering line, a spare key for the remote. This is your strap for holding your remote control as you operate it. You also get the Autech technical data sheet and your engine manual. This will all come in a nice, neat package for you, boxed up and ready to go. For more information, you can visit us at thirdcoastequipment.com.